Diagnosing multiple sclerosis sometimes involves a lumbar puncture, also called a spinal tap. During this test, a small sample of the fluid that circulates your brain and spinal cord is taken. This fluid is called cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF. A lumbar puncture may feel uncomfortable, but it should not be painful. A local anesthetic is used to numb the lower back before a needle is inserted to collect the fluid. If you do feel pain, let your doctor know and they will be able to help. Some people may experience a headache after the procedure. To help manage this, remember to rest, stay hydrated, and follow any treatment advice from your doctor. In the lab, the sample will be tested for signs of MS, such as antibodies in the fluid. These antibodies indicate inflammation and whether your immune system is active in your brain and spinal cord. If antibodies are found, the test may show proteins called oligoclonal bands, a strong clue you might have MS. A lumbar puncture offers valuable insights, but is just one part of the puzzle. Other tests are needed to confirm a diagnosis. With clear results from tests like lumbar punctures, doctors can better understand your condition and provide the care you need.